friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you unique collections from Poonam Sarees segment. But if I talk about this sarees, these are printed sarees. In this print, you will get handwork blouse collections. Those sarees will be 630 meters. If I talk about these varieties, I just want to show you the beautiful boxes over here, the lovely box collections. Every box, lovely new collections of Mulberry, Sarojini and Jaipuri, Bandej, based on the North Indian and North, East, West, all these fancy sarees. If I talk about South collections, we have also South collections, the Sri Leela, Rajshri, Kubera, Sri Leela, all these varieties. Today I am going to show you around some 450, 475 to 875, 900 rupees of range varieties. So subscribe the channel. Boutique resellers, Poonam saree, printed saree, fancy saree, boutique, fancy blouse collections. These collections you can quickly add into your business. These collections have huge margin in the market. So you can do COD options. So you can place an order before getting out of stock. Let's start the sarees. I want to show you the box packings. Every box you will get a lovely box in this kind of photocopy and the saree, and all the sarees having six colors in individual. Any pattern you take, you will get 6 colors. The first pattern, batik print, maroon with half white, long thread tassels you can see, lovely saree with crunchy fabric. You have a glossy blouse with matte golden animal work with jerry work with the handwork pattern. This is a batik print, half white with maroon. This is the blouse. Dhadak is the code. In this dhadak you will get 6 colors. If I talk about next color, light pista shade, you can see, I can say the color, English glossy, plain saree, but the unique benefit you can see here, mini fancy tassel, which is golden finishing on the thread which is given here. Lovely tassel, beautiful saree. You will get a thread. Okay, you will get a net based. This is a Leo lady, chunky work. This is a hip belt you can see with the lace. Lovely color, beautiful collections. This is Leo lady celebration sarees. You can also give for celebrations, you can give for gift occasions also, you can share with the color charts. Crunchy fabric, self designer fabric with the saree, beautiful. See, long lean thread tassels you can see here, which is designer. Okay, beautiful fabric designer. You will get same with this lemon yellow, I can say one of the light mustard yellow, beautiful color shade. You have a dark maroon wine, raspberry collections, multi thread work and handwork you can see. These are all fancy handwork blouses. And this also you have a color charts. If I talk about light color with single dotted stone, you are watching here, beautiful lavender shade. You have a lavender shade with golden thread work with sequence work and multi thread work, gold crunch. This is a crunchy fabric. This is a lovely charts. You have a flat thread work which is lean border which has highlighted, dotted silver stone. This is also one of the pattern. Celebrations, this is one of the pattern. In this you have this is a gold crunch fabric. You have a self designer plain, you have a sequence, you have a work dotted, glossy silk, crunchy, Vichitra fabric, all these kind of varieties. Now coming to Vichitra, one of the light green fabric self designer saree, which is, you can see the print with the same color combination. You have these kind of sarees, beautiful saree with long thread tassel. Okay, you have this lovely collections, and you have a light green. You have a Naina collections. You have a Naina collections. This kind of saree. Okay. Coming to next saree, Ari work you can see, fancy handwork. Now will come only the saree will be heavy printed saree. Work will be on the blouse. Bottle green with silver finishing, maroon finishing. Beautiful silver come green multi thread tassel. Lovely printed come border saree. Sultan pattern. Sultan pattern bottle green with Vichitra sequence work with silver finishing, silver butta. This is also floral work has been done. Next saree, which is dark purple, we have seen the light color with thread and stone. Again with lace is there, the mini lace again below the lace and up above the lace also you can see the same work. This is the pattern and this is a print and the work. This is Rajshri company, dark purple shades. You have a mustard yellow with beautiful ari and handwork, many white pearls which has given here. The lovely designer saree, how the multi Kesaria manufacturers is having designer with the logo KTC, lovely shade of the color print of the floral designer saree. We desire, we create. Beautiful lovely words for the gift occasions you can share. This kind of boxes, individual boxes you can get. Every saree you will get find out. Variety of box packing. You have seen the plastic boxes also. Beautiful holding boxes also. So around all these varieties you can buy from 230, 250 is the price. But today I have showed you 475, 462. I have showed you around 900, 875 rupees under the products. So to know the actual prices, take a screenshot, call our online team, the numbers are scrolling on the screen. Subscribe the channel, please share me your comments, your feedbacks, what kind of collections you are looking for. Subscribe the channel. Who is looking for clothing business, new collection, share the link with everyone. Keep supporting me. Next video will meet with new more collections and informations. Take care. Bye bye friends.